The third type of loop control structure is do while loop. Do while loop is also called exit control loop. Okay. Do while is called exit control loop. Why do while is called exit control loop? Because the control enter inside the loop body without checking the condition. Okay, without checking the condition, control enters inside the loop body. That is why do while is called exit control loop. And earlier we studied for loop and while loop. These are called entry control loop. Okay. For and while are entry control loop and do while is exit control loop. What is the reason? For and while, it checks the condition and then the statement starts executing, and in do while loop it simply executes the statement and at the last point it checks for the test condition. Now again I am taking the same example. Write a program to print 10 natural numbers. Now how to write the same program with the help of do while loop. This is my class, this is my function, this is called variable declaration and initialization. So A is my do while loop variable, and with the initial value given to A is 1. So this is my do statement. Simply what will happen after coming to this line, control will encounter do statement and then control will enter inside the body of the do, and what control will get? Control will get one statement SOPLN A, then it will simply print 1 because the value stored in A is 1. It will simply print without checking any condition. After printing 1, what will happen? It will take increment. Increment means now the value of A becomes 2. After this, the control will come out and it will check for get inside the while, and it will check 2 less than equal to 10, condition is true. Okay, condition is true, and you will get the important is this, here you have to place semicolon after while statement. Semicolon has to be placed. The condition is true. As soon as the condition is true, the control will move on, and SOPLN A means now what printing you will get the value of after increment the new value for A is 2. So now what will be printed here? 2. Okay, after 2 again control will come on to next line. A plus plus means the new value stored in A is 3. After taking increment, it will check for while condition. Control will come out of the body, it will check for the while condition. Now it will check here whether 3 is less than equal to 10. Again my condition is true. Once my condition is true, then control will again come on to this loop structure, and it will print SOPLN A means the value stored in A is 3. It will print 3. Again increment will take place, it will become 4. Like this it will print, and at one moment what will happen? The value of A becomes 10. Okay, after taking increment you will come to one point when the value of A becomes 10. Now in this case what will happen? 10 is less than equal to 10, my condition is true. Then what will happen? Control will come on to this loop structure, the body of the loop, and it will print SOPLN A means 10 printing you will get. And again after this the control will take one increment and the value of A becomes 11. As soon as the value of A becomes 11, control will come out of the body and it will check for the while condition. This time 11 less than equal to 10, condition is false. This time condition becomes false. As soon as my condition becomes false, control will come out of the braces and your program ends here, and this is the output which you will get. Okay, so this is how my do while loop works. Thank you.